Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares traded in a narrow range in Asia on Thursday, with investors sitting on the sidelines ahead of Friday's U.S. non-farm payroll data in the U.S. The ASX 200 rose 0.43% after the AIG Construction Index for June jumped to 53.2, marking a leap into expansion territory from 46.7 the previous month, while the Nikkei 225 fell 0.23% and the Shanghai Composite eased 0.47%. Overnight US stocks ticked up on Wednesday, erasing sharp losses from earlier in the session amid a continued global bond yield rout and further indications that the Federal Reserve will keep interest rates on hold due to ongoing Brexit concerns. The Aussie held weaker on Thursday in Asia despite upbeat construction estimates for June, as investors awaited the final word on last week's federal election, with Liberal Party leader Malcolm Turnbull possibly set to return as Prime Minister of a coalition government. Australian dollar US dollar traded at 0.7512, down 0.12%, while US dollar Japanese yen changed hands at 101.14, down 0.18%, and Great Britain pound held at more than 3 decades lows, down 0.14% at 1.2914. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a trade-weighted basket of 6 major currencies, was down 0.15% to 96.13. Thursday is a busy day for economic news on both sides of the Atlantic. The rush of numbers begins with a monthly update on German industrial activity in May. Later, ADP's estimate of private employment in the US for June will be widely read ahead of tomorrow's official release from the Labor Department. US ADP Employment Report. The ADP report will influence expectations for Friday's official employment report. Optimists argue that the dramatic decline in job growth in May, a rise of just 38,000, is noise. The first installment on deciding if that's wishful thinking or informed analysis starts with the ADP release. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.